Sweet! Smoke! Shit, where all the homies at? Fuck they at? Damn. Fuck it then. Hey.
Carl, no time to chit-chat. Been seeing a Seville family beer, work out on the street, and the boys don't like it. I'm pinned down in Seville hood, and we need a ride out of here. Pronto.
Oh, for sure, man. Hang in there.
Drop by Emmett and get heated.
I'll be honest, I ain't got a license.
That's my brother. Get a car, we'll meet you out front. Seville family on our case, nigga! Speed up a little, we sitting. She got a sister, CJ. You want her now?
Come on, man,
Man, Seville family's gone too far this time. Bro! Don't worry, girl. I don't drive as bad as CJ. Seville's trying to start a war. CJ, I warned your ass. Move it, CJ. You always crashing, CJ. I'll see you inside, baby. Man, this set tripping is killing the families. You did good back there.
Hey, I'm a Johnson boy.
Hey, I got unfinished business. Big love.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, baby, pump right over here.